Hello and welcome to this fynk use case. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically save every fully signed contract from fynk to Google Drive. Let's get started. It's really easy to do. We'll build a Zap, sign a contract in fynk, and watch the PDF appear in your Drive. The first step is building the Zap. Open Zapier, click Create, and start a new Zap. The first step is the trigger. This tells Zapier when to start the automation. Add fynk as the trigger app, and for the trigger event, use new signed document. Make sure your fynk account is already connected to Zapier, but if it's not, here's how you can do it. In fynk, open your account settings and choose API integrations. Then click on fynk API. In this page, you can create a new token and give the API key to Zapier. If you don't see this option, you need to contact your account owner and ask them to create an API token for you. After connecting fynk to Zapier, go back to Zapier and test the trigger. The trigger works, and now I can see a couple of my recent fynk documents in my account. Choose any sample data that you like, but make sure the one that you choose is a signed document. Then just hit continue with selected record. For the next step, which is the action step, choose fynk again. As the action event, choose find document download URL. Click continue, and in the configure page, make sure you click on these three dots and choose custom. And then search for document UUID from the previous step. Go ahead and again test this step as well. And you can see that now we have the document PDF URL. The final step in our Zap is to use this URL to save PDF into our Google Drive. So go ahead and add a new step. Choose Google Drive this time. As the action event, search for upload and select upload file. Make sure your Google account is already connected and then hit continue. In the configure page, choose the drive that you want to save the PDF in and also the folder that you want. For this example, I already have a folder as signed documents. And as the file, you can choose the PDF URL that we already extract from the previous step. So I added here. For the convert to document section, just choose false and give your file a name. You already have the file name from the first step, so you can choose it from here. Type PDF as file extension and hit continue. And now test the final step. Successful, so let's check out if it actually worked. If I go to my Google Drive and click on the signed documents that I chose in the configure page of Zapier, I can see that it's already here, so our test was successful, and now we are ready to publish our Zap. So go back to Zapier and just hit publish. In your Zap list, make sure this toggle is on. From this point forward, whenever a document becomes fully signed in fynk, Zapier will save the signed PDF to this Google Drive folder automatically. Now that I have my Zap up and running, let's check it out and let's sign the document in fynk to see if it saves it in Google Drive. So I already have this document in my account, which is in signing stage, and it is already signed by one party. Let's sign it as a counterparty to see what happens. I received an email from fynk inviting me to join the document and sign. I just go down the page and add my signature. And it's fully signed. Let's go back to our Google Drive. We should be able to see our signed document here in any moment. If I refresh, and yes, here it is. That's how you can save a lot of time copy and pasting the PDF files into different folders by creating this very simple automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.